Okay, time to make your caramelized onion. So you'll need butter. Put some butter in there and let it melt in your pan. Do this while your sloppy joe is cooking. So when it's done, you have your caramelized onion ready to go. So go ahead and add your sliced onion. And you're gonna cook this on high until your onion becomes like a golden brown, like a caramel color. You're gonna keep mixing. Don't stop mixing. You don't want to burn it. You just want to caramelize it. Just keep mixing this, and I'll be back once it becomes the texture and color that I like. Alright, here we go. The caramelized onion, and this is gonna go on top of the sloppy joe, and you'll see it once I arrange the plate. So the sloppy joe should be done soon, and we'll see you soon.